Now, your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
Warm and humid outside in about 22 minutes till summer. Here on the Sun Coast, 82 degrees in Sarasota, 82, Longboat Key, 77 in Bradenton, Lakewood Ranch at 77, 79 degrees in Venice. Inland temperatures coming in at around the same. We have a west wind that'll develop today. That'll give us a chance of some showers near the coast during the morning hours. I don't think it'll be much of a chance until we get to about 9 or 10 o'clock, so I think most of drive time will get by without too much in the way of any kind of rainfall around. By 12 noon, the rain chance will go up to about 30% near the coast. And then as we head into the afternoon, the temperatures at about 90 degrees will feature the showers mostly in inland areas. And I don't think during time of maximum heating, we're going to see a whole lot of rainfall near the coastline. Most of it will be in inland areas, and then it'll drift off out of the viewing area, I think, by the time we get to about 7 o'clock tonight. I do believe. We're looking at red tide status here, and if you are thinking about a morning walk at the beach, the marine observers have found that most of the northern beaches are looking like they have less irritant in the air than the southern beaches, where some of the reporters indicate that we have some actual moderate amounts of irritant due to red tide coming in at Venice and Gasparilla. So we'll watch for that. General westerly wind flow should push those toxins closer to the coast in the air today. Titan radar not showing anything across our region in terms of current rain showers in progress, except way out in Gulf waters. And none of those are really going to bother us. We have to wait for that west wind to establish itself, which it will with a little bit of heating, and as that high pressure ridge kind of builds into our south. We have some fair weather clouds around, but those clouds certainly not sufficient to block out the sun to where we won't warm today. The reason that I'm dropping the temperature a little bit from where we were yesterday is not because of necessarily increased cloud cover, although that certainly doesn't hurt, but because we'll develop that onshore wind flow, and so coming in off Gulf waters as opposed to coming at us over land, that will tend to reduce our temperatures a bit. Weather highlights show a few scattered showers building now again along the coast first and then push toward the other coast thanks to that westerly wind. That's the pattern for today as high pressure sinks to our south. And I think that's probably going to be the pattern right straight through Saturday or even Sunday. Now on Sunday there'll be a little trough of low pressure that will also impact our weather and perhaps bring up our rain chances a little bit. But we'll still be under the influence of this west wind, which favors these morning showers near the coast, followed by those inland showers drifting to the other coast in the afternoon. So that's going to remain fairly unchanged. Morning coastal showers are your weather highlights. Afternoon showers inland, and then slightly cooler temps. Now, don't get too excited. I'm not talking about any kind of big change in the temperatures. You really have to kind of keep your weather senses alert to even notice much of a difference in the afternoon temperatures. West wind coming in at about 10. And as far as the feels like temperature goes today, with an air temperature of about 90, will feel like about 100 because of all that humidity that'll be coming in off Gulf waters. First day of summer today, tomorrow, probably about the same kind of weather, I think, until we get till Sunday. And that'll be Sunday night. I think most of Sunday will be fine. Sunday night into Monday, we're going to up the rain chance. There are still some questions about that rain chance, though, because of the fact we don't know whether or not that little area of low pressure in the atmosphere will sink far enough south to impact our weather. But we'll put in that 50% chance currently. And next week, about a 40 to 50% chance as well.